Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this interview call. Today, we have with us Mr. Santosh Kumar Bhoda. Welcome, sir. And sir is actually the founder at BSMA Enterprises, and he champions Geospatial and BIM solutions. He's also an educator and a mentor. Sir, we invite you to share your story with us and tell us about your role in championing geospatial solutions and what inspired you to actually choose this field of interest right from your studies as an engineer. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Rao and Ms. Jayalala. So I've been in touch with you, I think, for a few days now. So to begin with, my name is Santosh Kumar Bhoda. As the founder of BSMA Enterprises, my role involves primarily around championing the integration and application of geospatial and building information modeling solutions within our projects and also services across the industries. So with a background in civil engineering and over two decades of experience in geospatial technology, I have witnessed the profound impact these technologies can have on the architecture, engineering, and construction industry, along with other industries. So in my daily activities, I focus on steering our team towards adopting and leveraging these technologies to enhance operational efficiency and project outcomes. This involves strategic planning, overseeing project execution, and ensuring that our technological solutions align with the industry standards and with our client needs. So geospatial technologies allows us to capture, store, and manipulate, along with analyzing the geographic information, which is integral for the planning and management of our projects. On the other hand, BIM technology supports the AEC industry, architecture, engineering, and construction industry, along with various other industries in visualizing, designing, and managing buildings and infrastructure more effectively. So together, these technologies enable a more integrated approach to project management, where precision and efficiency are paramount. At BSMA Enterprises, we not only aim to implement these technologies, but also to innovate and refine their integration. This involves exploring advancements in IoT, extended reality, AI, and ML, to further enhance the capabilities of geospatial and BIM technologies. So by doing so, we aim to deliver unparalleled value to our projects and establish a competitive edge in the industry. So my leadership is dedicated to not only advancing our company's technological footprints, but also to nurture a skilled workforce that can execute these high-tech solutions proficiently. This commitment extends to sharing knowledge and insights through various channels to inspire and educate upcoming professionals in the industry. So what inspired me, what I can say is my interest in geospatial and BIM technologies was primarily inspired by my civil engineering background and the substantial time I spent working with geospatial technologies. I have more than 2 decades of experience. I have witnessed firsthand the transformative impact of these technologies on the AEC industry. And initially, my fascination grew from seeing how geospatial technology could significantly improve the accuracy and efficiency of mapping and surveying process. So this technology provided invaluable insights by allowing us to visualize and analyze geographical data. So this journey has been driven by a vision to transform how the AEC industry operates, making it more precise, efficient, and sustainable. As these technologies continue to evolve, I remain committed to exploring new advancements and integrating them into our operations. So further pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve in the digital construction and project management.
So it's really nice to see that you've written so many books because amidst all your schedule, because somehow today in the educational system, we know a lot of stuff, but to translate it, into material is a lacuna that we face. So do you actually take seminars for students at the college level or training courses, training programs?
So what I'm doing is I'm approaching the universities and the various educational institutes. So depending on their requirements, either I design a workshop or conduct a seminar, which is well aligned with their curriculum, and also depending on what is coming, future technologies, like what new technologies are being adopted in the industries. So based on that, I suggest them what to include for the next, or the upcoming students for the same branch or the other branch. Because these technologies, when I say with these technologies, AI can implement, ML can implement, integrate into these technologies. That means like any group, not only the civil engineers, as a civil engineering graduate, not only the civil engineers, but every engineer can adopt these technologies.
Thank you so much, and I want to really welcome from our ESTAH and also the Social Franchisee Academy. One thing I wanted to ask you is, I've been listening, even though I'm not able to come on video. So the networking, I think, interface, and also your knowledge sharing, and you're helping the entrepreneurs and also the individuals manage the data. But somewhere, have you able to see that circular economy and any sustainable development goals integration, you're able to integrate those models? But I'm just telling, anything you thought about like that, which will be useful for, the reason I'm mentioning about circular economies, which helps us, even the economics also to be rotated, reusing of material, reusing of your data, recycling, everything. So in every sector, the sector, whichever the sector we are handling, I think all the stakeholders we are trying to integrate. So have you thought of doing such integrations, at least not immediately in the future?
Yeah, I mean, see, many organizations talk about circular economy, sustainability, those kind of solutions to be integrated into their business processes. So yes, I mean, currently our planet, I mean, where we are living currently. So it's, what is happening, currently the temperature is too high. When I was checking how the temperature is across the globe, what my observation is, like India is at a very high temperature currently. People are facing with a lot of heat and all that. So facing such challenges, of course, adopting a sustainability approaches and looking for integrating the circular economy into their business are very essential. Now at present, we need to adapt the larger organizations, and also every stakeholder of the businesses should adopt that economy, because that plays a very important role.
Great. That's where we can see a great collaboration, and I think the other questions, Sneha and Jayalalitha will continue. The last question which I want to ask is about, you already said you already have some institutions. How many are institutions already have relationship? Like you already started working with them right now currently?
So, Mr. Rao, when I started this, I currently don't have any number to provide, like how many institutions I collaborated with. But I keep on approaching the universities and the educational institutes within my city and also across India. And not only that, the PhD scholars keep approaching me, asking guidance for the topics which are related to Geospatial and BIM technologies. So I don't have any specific number to provide with you, like how many institutions or universities are collaborated with my BSMA Enterprises. But I keep approaching them as and when I see that this university or educational institute is open to taking my suggestions or the whatever I'm suggesting to them. So I don't have any specific number to share at this moment, Mr. Rao.
Thank you. No problem. I think Jayalalitha and Sneha, please go ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your knowledge. So you have talked about geospatial and BIM solutions a lot. You have been in this industry for over 2 decades now, so you understand the complexities of it. Would love to understand from you, as a layman, how would you explain what is this technology, that everyone in the call can also understand the importance of what you are building?
So if I put it, I'll start with geospatial technology. It's related to geography. Geography is nothing but studying about the Earth, which is geo. So anything, when we talk about a location, I mean, there are 2 kinds of database. One is just like information which provide. Let's say, for example, your name is Sneha, you live at so and so location, your education is so and so, your parents or your other demographic information.
Yeah.
So this is one information. Okay. When I integrate your information to the location, let's say, just for example, what I'm saying is, within Hyderabad, you live in so and so location.
Okay.
So when I integrate a location information to this information, that's when I call it as a geospatial information technology or geospatial system To elaborate
Okay.
more about this, let's say
Hmm.
you want to start from one X location to the other Y location. Okay,
Yeah.
what you would do generally. Now you have many cab services which just you have to enter your current location. You don't have to enter your current location also. That application
Yeah.
will know where exactly you are standing.
Yeah. Yeah.
The technology which is there to identify where exactly you are standing currently is called a geospatial technology.
Makes sense.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
so there are many applications to this. One of the application is, the cab services who are providing the services. They integrate this technology into their services to understand where are their customers and where are their drivers. There are two kinds of personnel here. One is their customers, another one is their drivers. So
Yeah.
they want to know where are the drivers. Accordingly, they can provide the customers who are looking for the cab service.
Yeah.
This is very much important. Without the geospatial technology, the organizations who are providing the services will not know where their drivers are located currently. They will not know which customer, which driver to align to the which customer, because a customer might be at X location, but the drivers are at Y location. So without knowing the location of their personnel, they cannot provide the services. That's the importance of the geospatial technology.
Got it.
So it's
Got
not
it.
only, when I say building, it's not only about the infrastructure, it's about the digital transformation. Hope I'm able to answer like what exactly are this technology.
Yes. So it was totally clear, and I'm able to visualize what is geospatial and what is BIM solution.
See, when you started telling about the technology, you gave an example of Uber. You gave an example of medical and environment. So you already did your technology with the various dots. So that means you already said there are aggregators to solve the different sectors. So since BIM can be a consolidator, tomorrow what I'm looking at is the way I'm looking at the partnership with you tomorrow. What we can do is you can bring this consolidation, solving the transport, agri, and one constancy will automatically becomes how becomes a smart town. So how we can integrate those technologies, how we can become a partners, and where we see together we can travel. That's what I was looking at.
Yeah, as I said, like these technologies can be integrated in any business. So we can discuss more in detail, like how we can collaborate, how we can implement these technologies, various whatever your vision is about your organization, and you got some thought about like what these technologies can do. So whatever your thoughts are, maybe we can discuss about this in a separate meeting, or we can have a separate discussion about how we can take this forward. So it's I think it's a separate discussion we can have, because depending on what are your thoughts, and based on that how we can collaborate becomes another part of discussion. Then I think how I look at is it takes multiple meetings, and we go back and see, we try to whatever we discussed, we try to analyze that, we try to put it in a paper, and how we wanted to how we want to take this forward. So I think what we can do is we can whatever your objectives are, how we want to take this forward, and what are my organization objectives and all that. We'll see we'll see an opportunity where both can collaborate and work together on this.
Great. Thank you very much. I think you answered my question. We'll come back to your proper question.
Yeah, thank you.
Our collaborator. Thank you so much. Being patient for all our questions, and thank the team members. All of you coordinating, make it successful. You guys can go ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. This is a beautiful note that we can end the conversation, today's conversation, that every problem will have a solution. So,
Yeah.
thank you again. And so it has been fascinating, sir, listening to you for the last 1 hour about how you're changing and the important role that technology. So we have been hearing about generative AI, chat GPT, and different technology advancement. It was beautiful to hear the applications of it in various industries. That has been really insightful. That is all from my side. Jalata, handing it over to you. If you have any questions, or otherwise you can end the
Yeah,
interview.
actually, just one last question. I'll take a little of your time. Since you've worked in so many sectors, today we have so many calamities. We hear earthquakes, and there's so much of flooding. Do you think geospatial solutions will increase the response time so that, people will have time to react to it and equip?
It's a very complex situation we are going through currently.
Okay.
In one of the question, I was saying that when I was observing the temperature of our country, it's currently it's more than now. It's almost noon now. I mean, it's 12:30 now. It's 41 degrees in Hyderabad, and across our country also. It is, I think it is between 38 to 42.
Yes.
Some cities might be facing more heat waves. So I mean, it's the weather across the globe is deteriorating. Of course, we humans are responsible for that. So, that is the reason. Like many of the organizations are coming forward for the sustainability to meet the objectives of sustainability. Even the COP28, which concluded early of this year in the Middle East. So these are the initiatives where global leaders are taking steps to whatever the challenges we are facing, which are related to the climate and other complex problems we are facing right now. So the global leaders are taking such initiatives to tackle, and we are setting up benchmarks. Every country is setting a benchmark to adopt the sustainability objectives for their countries, so that so transformation is happening. It will, of course, takes decades to completely transform, but complete transformation will not happen definitely. But there are measures which are being adopted by the countries. They are top level leaders from each of the country. So, and also every country, like our country is at the fifth largest economy in the world now. So countries like us, countries like Brazil and other developing countries, and also the China and other US and Japan, like every country is having their own sustainability objectives, how they want to tackle these challenges and all that. But it's not a simple solution which is there. We need to adopt like sustainability objectives within our business practices, with our daily routine. Government need to take new initiatives. The solutions like EV, electrical vehicles. This is one solution. There are many other solutions.
Yes.
Which is being adopted. So it's not a short-term goal; it's a long-term goal. It will take a lot of years. Complete transformation will also not happen. So, but yes, it's the work is in place. That's what I can say.
Yes, sir. I think the change begins with us and the community.
Yeah, of course. I mean, like it's a responsibility of every citizen.
Thank you so much.
It happens.
Yes, sir. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, sir. You were saying?
No, what I'm saying is change starts with us.
Yes.
As individual.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time and explaining very patiently about so many things about Geospatial solutions. I'm sure Pooja, who was here, was much benefited from it. Thank you, sir, for your time. And I think Sneha and sir will meet up with you for further discussions. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Wish you all the best.
Sure.
As well, sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.